Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2017 Audi A4 Komfort in white with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4-door sedan, and this is a 2-liter 4-cylinder. It's also an all-wheel drive. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And should you require financing, our finance team is friendly and knowledgeable. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have the release for the trunk located here. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our dash controls. There's cruise control down here, hands-free dialing, and you also have paddle shifters. So you're seeing one on the left side and the other one on the right. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, you're going to see any important messages, and you can toggle through for different options. In the center, we're seeing the radio presets there. You have AM, FM, as well as satellite radio. Your hazard lights in the center, and you have dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as heated seats for driver and passenger. And there's also the front and rear defrost. Down below is your drive select, and so you can press on that. It'll appear on your center screen, and you can go through it and toggle through for whatever you would like, and then you can go back around again. As well, you've got auto stop start for less idle time, traction control, and this display is for the display screen, so you can turn it on and off. Down below is a 12 volt, and you're seeing a couple of cup holders. As well, you have some options here for the menu to go through your radio. Now, it comes with a button for nav. This vehicle does not have it, it's not supported, but it is there. You have an automatic shifter, and as well, when you're shifting through, it'll show you obviously on your dash what gear you're in, but there's your P for park, just so you know. And this controls the volume. You also have an armrest right beside you. When you unclick it, you have things that you can put in there, like a clip. And off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above is an auto dimming rear view mirror, and then you have your lighting controls, so you're seeing the light come on there. And this has a moonroof, so you can actually push the button right there. It'll slide it right open, and then you've got some nice fresh air. And there's also a screen that slides right across if it's just too bright. And then you're seeing just down below, you have a grab handle for the passenger. 17-inch wheels, body color door handle and side view mirror. In the back, you have dual exhaust, and when you want to open up that trunk, you can do so by clicking and holding your fob. You can also release it from inside. The release is in the door, and it powers it open for you. Inside, it's nice and roomy, and you've got this little mesh area where you can put items, and as well, you've got tabs that you can pull down to anchor things if you wish. And then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle to the right or the left. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and the trunk is now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And speaker in the door, as well as power locks and windows. You also have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You can bring the seats down simply by pulling the clip in the back. I'm just going to get my hand in there and pull down. And you now have access to the back trunk area. Behind the seats are anchors to be able to tether baby seats. And then you can just push the seat back up, and it's in the upright position. And in the center here, you just unclip this. You have an armrest, and that opens up. You've got a little bin in there that you can put items if you wish. Carpeted mats on the floor and some pockets on the back of the front seat. You can control the air vents back here, and you also have a 12 volt. And in the back, towards the ceiling there, you've got the handle and lighting. Passenger side, fuel cap, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, HID headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.